The mission does not depend on our abilities. It does not depend on our talents. The way we talk, the way we influence others. Hindi ito makikita doon. Hindi magiging justifiable sa ibang tao kung yun lang ang pagbabasihan natin. But mission is fulfilled when we are able first to love God above all. Mission is fulfilled when we are able to embrace the cross and deny ourselves daily. Mission is fulfilled when we serve others even through the smallest act of love. Doon, mas magiging fulfilled. Doon, mas magiging effective tayo being a Christian to respond to the call of Jesus Christ. And mission is accomplished not because we have done extraordinary things, but because Christ has been made known through ordinary people just like you and me. Na kung saan, you and me, we are all allowed Jesus Christ to completely reign in our lives. Doon magkakaroon ng kakumpletuhan ang misyon na ginagawa natin, ang pagiging Kristiyano natin. Kapag hinayaan natin sa ating mga buhay ng ating Panginoong Diyos ang siyang maghari dito. Hindi mauna yung ating mga pansariling kagustuhan. Hindi mauna yung ating mga pansariling mga pangangailangan. To make Christ known until the world encounter His redeeming love.